Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Oh wait, what's your name again? Wayne?
Just another night, I was feeling fine. Insane playing bye bye bye. Then we finally kissed.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is BOLU, and if you're a return subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. So yeah, today guys, I have a vlog. I'm sorry for looking crusty. Like, I literally just woke up. I just want to like brush my teeth and I came back. So I kind of look like crusty, but like, you guys get me. Like, yo, look at my edges. These edges have been laid since yesterday, but it's already flaking. But like, bro, it's still kind of there. Bro, look at the flaky, Jesus. So today's vlog is just going to be like a productive vlog. I can't speak. I actually have a lot of things to do. I have an exam to write today for one of my classes. It's a lab. I have an exam. I also have to like clean my room because, as you guys can see, this room is a mess. Yeah, it's a mess. I need to clean up my room. I need to do laundry. I'll show you guys my to-do list because like it's very like calm to like just cross off things out from your to-do list. Today is just gonna be a vlog, a productive vlog. Hopefully I do stuff because filming and like doing stuff at the same time, it's kind of like stressful. Anyways, let's actually what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get ready because I feel like when you get ready, like, you just feel good for your day. So yeah, I'm actually just going to get ready, like take a shower, put on my cleaning outfits, and then I'm going to start cleaning my room. And then after I'm done, I'll probably like revise for my exam because my exam is by 2, and I also have another class today on my school portal type thing, which is the main class for the lab. Yeah guys, I'm just going to be taking you guys. If you haven't done that, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And yeah guys, let's get into this vlog. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm back. So yeah guys, I just took a shower. For breakfast, I actually just took like a cup of yogurt. I really don't like breakfast. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but I usually take breakfast in like 12 o'clock or like 11 p.m. or so. But yeah guys, let me show you guys my bottle that I have to finish today. This is it. It has like the writings, like the time, 7 a.m, 9 a.m, 11 a.m. Currently it's almost 10, so I have to drink the water till like the middle, like here. But yeah guys, this is my bottle. Well, so I'm actually just going to put you guys in a time lapse as I clean this room. And yeah guys, let's get into cleaning.
My head's so messed up, but I can't fold in no fear. Got sight set right up on these bands, and I'm gonna use to wipe tears. 5 years still sticking to the plans I made when I was a jit. Told moms I can't go live no normal life, won't stop till I'm rich. Said where were you when I was down bad, and the money coming to me so fast. Left the hoe, she a big dub, straightforward with it, I don't go back. Everybody living better, I still remember times we done broke down. Tried it on this come up, I gotta get a bag for the fam now. But I got nobody to lean on, got a cold heart in a cold world. Ever since you left, I don't know what's next, I ain't found closure. I keep a knife in my chest just to cut holes off, I don't know them. Leaving a bitch in the past, I gotta go now, it's over. Left me out here grieving. Shit don't add up, baby, I'ma get even. It's a cold world, baby, and I'm just getting heated. So I'm the only one I ever really needed. I gotta find a way out of this fucking position. I stay with a gang and don't stress by no bitches. I took all my pain and I put it in records. They turn up the speaker, I turn it to riches. When I'm alone, the past come at a homie, so I feel like turning that boy to a Casper. When I'm off whiskey, I feel like myself, and I'll turn that bitch so, cause it really don't matter. I got my mind on my money, paranoid, they all look at me funny. Stressed out, so my liver stay muddy. Pipe down, you won't take nothing from me. I don't need nobody to...
Okay guys, so I've actually cleaned majority of my room. You guys, I actually have like a tapestry over there, but I don't know, like over there. Yeah, I used to have a tapestry over there, but the tapestry is currently in the washer because I just did my laundry, or I'm doing my laundry right now. The only thing that's actually left for me to do in this room is to vacuum, and then I need to wash my makeup brushes. I need to wash my white shoes that I've worn and they are dirty. I just need to wash them. If you guys have any tips for clearing white shoe, make sure you guys should tell me, because I have so many, I have like 3 pairs of shoes that are white that I need to wash, but like I don't know how to wash them because I don't want to spoil them, if you guys get what I mean. I'm about to eat. I think my mom's actually making food. She's making food. Yes, it's like, yeah. I think I'm just going to quickly vacuum my room, and then I'll eat, and then I'll come back and study, because right now it's about 10 something and my exam is by 2 o'clock, and I need to like revise by like 1 something. It's actually by 2:30. Is it 2:30? So like I need to revise by like 1, go over every single thing, and then I would write my exam, and after my exam I have a class by 5 o'clock. So yeah guys, that's basically what I'm just doing. I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys.
Just another night, I was feeling fine. Insane.
Okay guys, so I'm actually done. I'm done with cleaning my room. I'll show you guys. Actually, let me cross off my to-do list. Let me show you guys. Actually, wait. Yeah, no. When I do more stuff, because I feel like I like to do more stuff before I cross out like my to-do list. But yeah, guys, I'm about to eat and watch some Netflix, and then after I'm done, I will start taking my micro notes, and I also revise for my exam. So yeah, guys, bye. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I'm literally done with eating my breakfast slash lunch. It's currently like 12 something. What's the time? 12:16. That's what the time is. So right now I'm just going to take micro notes. One of my classes, microbiology. I'm just going to write notes for the class till like 1, and then by maybe 1:30 I'll start revising for my AMP2 lab exam, and then by 2:30 I'll start my exam, and then yeah guys, you just see how it goes. See you guys whenever I see you guys.
Healthy person's feces, and basically put it into your gut to give your gut healthy flora again, so it can fight off the C. diff, which is
When I stay, oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you, maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you.
Okay guys, so I'm currently about to write my lab exam. You guys should definitely pray for me, please. I need to pass this exam. So I'm basically just in a quick class session with my professor. So like people who have like extra questions, like they can come in and ask her like extra questions. But I'm basically just here to like see if anyone's gonna come and like ask, because any knowledge is not lost in this part. So basically I'm just going to show you the screen, and yeah. So yeah, that's collaborative ultra. That's my professor. And then yeah. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys after my exam. Hey guys, I'm done with my exam. I got an A. Yeah, so right now I'm actually going to cross off my to-do list because I've actually done a lot of stuff today. So yeah guys, that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you guys because it's very satisfying. Guys, I'm sorry for all the all the montages that I have in this video, but like that's literally like I'm doing stuff. I can't be holding my phone as I'm doing stuff, you get me? So right now I'm about to wash my makeup brushes, and yeah, it's been a long time since I've washed my makeup brushes, and that's probably why I keep breaking nails, because I don't wash them. So you guys, wash your makeup brushes please, so that you don't break out. But yeah guys, I'm about to wash it and I'll see you guys.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip, oh.
Alright guys, okay. Alright guys, so I'm about to I'm about to have my 5 p.m. class on collaborative ultra, and yeah guys, it's currently 5 o'clock, so I'm about to start this class. It's been a couple of hours actually. So when I'm done with this class, I think I'm going to wash my shoes and see if I can get like other things done, like some of my classes. And yeah guys, let me go to my class.
To the physiology here, because we haven't already been doing it heavy with that Wiggers diagram, but when we can do the cardiac output and blood pressure stuff we're going to do today, I kind of want to see where we're at with everything. So and I appreciate that feedback. I've had feedback on both sides. Some people say that it's
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high.
Okay guys, so I'm actually done with my 5 p.m. class. It's currently 6:21 right now, and I'm just tired honestly. I just want to watch Netflix and like sleep. That's literally what I want to do right now. I actually really don't have anything. Let me see what I have on my to-do list. Let me show you guys. Okay, so literally like on my to-do list, the only thing I have left is to finish my bottle, and it's not yet 9 o'clock, so I can't do that. My history, I was supposed to reply, but no one has put any like discussion posts, so I really can't reply. Clean my shoes. I might do this later today or tomorrow because I'm really tired. So yeah. So yeah guys, like I really don't know what I'm gonna do right now. Maybe I'm just gonna like watch TV, and then I will see if I can vlog other things. I don't know. But yeah guys, I'll see you whenever I see you guys. Change of plans guys. My brother is forcing me to go to the gym with him. I'm so lazy. But yeah, I'm just going to quickly dress up, and then I feel like the next time you guys will see me is probably going to be at the gym or something. I might vlog, I don't know, I'm not sure, because I don't know how I feel about vlogging in public. But yeah guys, let's go to the gym. Hey guys, so I'm back from the gym and I'm tired, so I feel like I'm just going to close this vlog. I basically done everything off my checklist, so I would say today was pretty productive. So yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you guys are notified anytime I upload any new video. And yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, I'll put it on the screen somewhere. And yeah guys, thank you for going along with my day, or going, what's the English? What? Thank you for watching the vlog, Jared. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.